Students all over California are hard at work designing and deploying their Cal Water H2O Challenge projects. This week, we're visiting 2 Cal Water well sites to learn more about how they source and deliver our water, and why conservation is more important than ever. Hey everyone, I'm your host, Emily Eli. The Cal Water H2O Challenge is all about engaging students and teachers in Cal Water service areas to research, develop, and implement solutions for a whole host of local water issues. And the work they're doing in the classroom is directly connected to the work happening at Cal Water all over the state. To learn more about these connections, our crew traveled to Southern California to meet with some of the experts.
I am the production superintendent for East Los Angeles District and our contract city of Commerce.
I'm Jim Crawford. I'm the district manager for the East Los Angeles District. While the water utility is here to provide service for all of our customers, we're here to make sure the water quality is safe, pure, proper, and clean water that meets all standards.
We drill down, remove the groundwater from there, pump it up, treat the water, and then put it into our distribution system for our customers.
So right now we're at a well site in the city of Montebello. What's behind me here is a GAC vessel, which is granulate activated carbon. In simple terms, that would be something similar to a Brita filter, at your house that filters your water for your ice machine. This well has a very high capacity. It's one of our newer wells. It has a backup generator. We have operators that have certifications. We have engineers. We have water resource folks. We have conservation. We have a variety of departments. There's a few ways you could get water. One of them is well, and that's definitely our preferred path, as we'd be pulling water from underground, from an aquifer, as compared to purchasing water from surface water. Traditionally, our wells used to be drilled to a small depth. At this point, we're drilling wells to well over 1,000 feet. We have wells that age back to the 20s, so when you build a well, it's gonna be long-term. So we're building stuff that will be reliable regardless of the power grid. So we're becoming more and more reliable to our community.
Here at this facility, we pump water from our 2 wells. The water is brought above ground and then put into 2 parallel treatment trains where we remove constituents from the water, contaminants. Then we disinfect the water and then we serve it to our customers. Our crew makes sure that the wells are running, that our treatment facilities are working, and that the water gets into the distribution system.
Conservation should be active at all times, but ultimately, we're in California. It's basically a giant desert, and we need to do our part. Everybody needs to do their part to continue to save water, to do their best, to come up with techniques and methods to conserve at any means you can. I will say when it comes to STEM, I think it completely connects to the water industry. All of our sites are very complicated. There is a lot of engineering planning that goes into it. So I think STEM is completely in line with everything that involves water.
Anybody from any background has the potential to join a team like ours. We need to tap that future talent to discover new ways to conserve water. Every time a student has a great idea that they can propagate forward, learn more about through their education, and one day hopefully enter our industry and be able to share that, it will be beneficial to everybody who lives in California. Absolutely, the work the students are doing is very important. For these students to share those ideas with Cal Water is a wonderful relationship to have, because even if they aren't utilized now, a lot of times an idea that is brought forth by a student can snowball or propagate into other ideas that may be beneficial in the future.
So cool to learn about all that goes into delivering fresh, clean water to millions of people around California. Well, that's it for this week. We'll see you next time as we check back in with Ms. Gutierrez's class as they start to approach crunch time. Bye!